Hello, my fellow students. We're here to learn some vocabulary. And I'm always a little hesitant to teach vocabulary because the type of vocabulary you need to learn varies depending on what life you live, what nouns you interact with, and what verbs you do. But no matter who you are, and no matter what you do, it is safe to assume you will have your human body with you at all times. So we are going to learn the parts of the body. The other reason I don't want to teach vocabulary is because, well, I don't pronounce things exactly like a native Korean. And most importantly, learning vocabulary takes repetition. Me just showing you a picture and giving you a Korean word is not going to get you to remember it forever and ever. You need repetition. So I came up with this idea to do a guided meditation. It will focus on different parts of the body and letting them relax. I'll make that video next so you can use it to help you memorize vocabulary and help you relax at the same time. But first, I need to teach you the names of the parts of the body. Let's start at the bottom. Foot. Foot is ball. Ball. You know when people walk on their tiptoes, you call that part that you step on the ball of your foot? That's how I can remember it. Ball. Toes is balgarak. Balgarak. You've got your ball and you've got your balgarak. Balgarak. Ankle is balmok. Balmok. This word has ball in it too. And mok. Mok means neck. Spoiler! Mok means neck. An ankle is a foot neck. Make sense? Leg is dali. Dali. If you've been trying to memorize my verb list, you will have noticed dalida, to run. And you run with your legs. So run is dalida and leg is dali. Dali. And now the booty. But they don't use that word in Korean. The real word for hips and butt is 엉덩이. 엉덩이. They use the word hips rather than butt. 엉덩이. Stomach is 배. 배. This is a baby 배. This is a 배. Waist is 허리. 허리. Koreans use this word to refer to their lower backs. 허리. And chest, that is 가슴. 가슴. Back is 등. 등. I feel like if you take a fist and hit it against your back, the sound it makes is 등. 등. Shoulders is 어깨. 어깨. Arms is 발. 발. This is the same as the Sino-Korean word for 8. 8 arms. Koreans are all secret octopuses. True story. The word for hands is 손. 손. Fingers would be 손가락. Remember toes? 발가락. Korean body parts are very consistent like that. Fingers, 손가락, toes, 발가락. And wrist, what do you think that is? 손목, the neck of your hand. Neck is 목. Like I mentioned before, 목 means neck. Do you know the word for voice? It is 목소리. 목 means neck and 소리 means sound. A voice is a neck sound. Somehow the word 목소리 really stands out for me in K-pop songs, even before I knew what it meant. And now that I've taught you that, 목소리 will stand out for you in K-pop songs too. Anyways, 목 is neck. Head is 머리. Remember when I taught you that 머리 means hair. Well, it means head too. And actually, hair that is not on your head is called toe. For example, dolly toe, dung toe. Face is 얼굴. I don't like the sound of that word very much. 얼굴. And the parts of the face, I taught you all that before. Mouth is 입. Lips is 입술. Nose is 코. Eyes, 눈. And the last body part isn't really a body part, but I want to use it in the meditation. It is mind. 마음, 마음, mind, 마음. You know how we use plurals for shoulders and fingers and other body parts that we have more than one of? Well, Korean is not big on using plurals, so we don't pluralize any of these words usually. Now I'm going to describe the meditation video, which will be my next video. All the sentences I say will be in the form blank 편안히 두세요, which means relax your blank. And I will fill in the blank with the name of a body part. Much like this video, the meditation will start at the feet and progress upward. Please enjoy it. I will put a link on the screen and in the description when it's complete. I was originally going to get someone else to do this meditation video for me, but looks like I'm doing it all on my own now. I'm not sure where I get the nerve. 바보처럼 보일 것 같습니다. Thanks for studying with me.